look at that. There's a lot of stuff. There's a manual. This really nice case. Has the connector for the OBD2. And what this is really cool. I'm super amazed about this, guys. So what this is actually it has a bunch of different connectors, not connectors, but basically for like outlets. So if you're, let's say, like in Middle East, United States, or Europe, it's gonna have different plugs for you to charge up this CAN tool. That's really cool. Next, it has another connector right here with the wire, and then our main thing is this CAN tool, guys. Okay, pretty nice. Let's look at this. Look at that. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and connect this OBD cable into the car, and then connect the other end into the CAN tool. This way, and if you know, for ease of diagnostics, I can actually like set it right over here. So scan, it's asking you the country. All right, United States, Nissan. Let's go ahead and see. We can do the automatic scan. Really neat scan tool. Actually, like you know, all of these other cheaper scan tools, they do have like issues. Only have like 3 modules that have some faults in there. But this is the engine control module, all right? Because I'm gonna look at some stuff over there. Obviously, there's no check engine light on this car yet, so there's no DTCs, all right? And then what I want to do is I want to so actuation test. You can do a lot of actuation tests. Look at that. Fuel pump relay, like alternated duty, ventilation control valve. That's really cool. Like, I didn't know that this CAN tool is so capable of all this stuff. Now live data, look at that. This is awesome. Let's check this out. The car is running right now, so it's you can read anything basically. Battery voltage right there. So if you don't want to go under the hood to check the battery voltage, look with this CAN tool, it will tell you your alternator is working. So it's working. As you can see, it's charging right there, 14. And you can also, you know, select all these right here. You can select them, and then you can do custom selection. You can also record the, you know, everything on this CAN tool. That's how cool it is. And if we scroll down, it's going to show us the engine speed and just a bunch of stuff. Load, start signal, cooling fan. There's a lot of data PIDs, honestly. So all signals, temperature, yeah, okay. So this is super handy. Let's see what CAN tool has is special functions. So, you know, there's a lot of newer cars that you have to do the oil reset. So by doing this oil reset, it will actually help you to reset the oil on whichever car you're working on. Okay, so yeah, that's going to be really useful as well. And it's not just the oil reset, there's other things that you can do, like tire resets, I'm pretty sure, as well. Let's see, automatic detection, read the VIN code. Let's see if we can do the oil reset on this car. I don't even know if it has one. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't remember, but I know a lot of other cars, they do have these. Another thing to point out is, as you can see, this CAN tool right there is charging. So that's really good. You don't have to actually, like, you can plug it in at your house if you want to charge it, but you can also charge it with just having it plugged into the car and the car running. Okay, so sometimes looks like I would have to manually select all that. So because sometimes with these, it depends on the car, but they will not always read the automatic function, so you have to do that thing manually. But I'm not going to do that right now. But as you can see, these are all the options that you can do. Some different crazy stuff like AC relearn and things like that. Injector coding, ABS bleeding. That's really cool. ABS bleeding right there. A lot of newer cars, they require ABS bleeding.